Okay, how to install Pixel 6 Pro Hybrid. Okay, let's go to Wife and select Dalvik Gas System Vendor Data. Swipe to Wife. First, select Android 11 firmware. Add to queue. Select the Pixel ROM, that is Pixel 6 Pro Hybrid RAW file, right? Now swipe to install. Install complete. Welcome to Android 12. Alright, now I will flash DFE F2FS only. Select and swipe to install. You don't have to flash DFE if you are encrypted. Alright, you can just go to format and format your data and reboot into system. But I am decrypted, so I flash DFE. Now let's reboot system. Right, that's the boot animation of Pixel phone, right? Okay. Speech services by Google keeps stopping. Okay, we have successfully installed Pixel 6 Pro in our Redmi K20 Pro. Let's go to settings. In about phone, you can see Pixel 6 Pro, right? The Android version, and here you can see the Android version is 12, right? Android 12. Security patch is 5th November 2021 and the kernel is Soviet Star, right here. Okay, this is Android 12 theme, right? And you have Google Feed on the left side in your home screen. About device is not certified, and in DRM info you don't get security level L1. Security level is L3. When the security level is L3, you will have problem listening to your music, watching videos and playing games, right? That's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy watching content like this, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post new video in the future, right? Thank you. I will catch you in the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.